gold and silver have seen a little drop, but almost gold has formed a double bottom levels at 1885 and trying to recover here. At the same time, silver has also got its support intact at 2260-70 zone and now trying to trade with a little retracement. So what to expect today? Which position you should take trading gold and silver? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. Watch that also. And hence press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the live market analysis. Your every like, every comment is a great inspiration motivation for me, and as well as every share and subscribe too. Thus, please like, share, subscribe and comment. Do press the bell icon. With that, let's start. First, we'll look into gold followed with silver to watch till the end. Also, you can stay updated with the live market analysis by joining my free Telegram channel. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Now, let's have a look at gold on the hourly chart. See, first of all, double bottom levels are formed precisely. We have seen recovery here, we have seen recovery here. But look at the recovery we have seen here. Very strong bullish candle is seen here. And this was the first bullish candle. In an hour, it has recovered completely. You can see previously we have seen very slow movement here throughout these candles. Now, this is a very strong bullish candle we have seen after long in gold. Specifically on the hourly charts, I am saying last few days, whenever we have seen it staying bearish, you can see the bullish candles are very small, and this time the candle is precisely of good shape. Thus suggests that there could be a little recovery, but you can look at the resistance zone here. Very strong resistance is there at around 1895-96 zone, and hence above 1896 you can initiate a buying entry. Above 1896 is where one can expect that we will look forward to 1902 levels first resistance and 1906 levels as the next target, or rather I will say 1904 1906 is a very good resistance zone for gold for today. First target should be at around 1900, then 1904 1906 zone. So these two levels we should watch out very specifically. These two levels are definitely going to be a critical resistance. Beyond that, we may see a little more retracement. If not today, possibly it can continue tomorrow with this journey. Stochastic is also showing a rise. The MACD has also crossed over. See, one bullish candle and a good bullish candle trading with divergence. Possibly it could pull the prices little up. RSI is also retraced. If you look at 2 hours, on the 2 hour charts, now the prices are above 20 period moving average. Good sign. It has, see, so far it has failed to stay above 20 period. So I will definitely observe how the next couple of candles are going to behave. Consistently staying above 20 period moving average will be a good sign for the bulls out here, and possibly we may expect a little reversal. Also, the double bottom formation here is very important sign, and thus we should definitely look out for, because precisely it is forming a double bottom trying to recover, and hence these levels you should observe in detail. Stochastic is rising. MACD is also trading with divergence and bullishness, looking upwards. RSI is also looking upwards here, coming to 3 hours. Now on the 3 hour charts, right now it is still at 20 period moving average. So I will wait for it to stay. I will wait for the next candle. If next candle stays above the 20 period moving average, possibly we can expect it to hit the 50 period moving average, and in fact it can go beyond, and hence 1996 is the only level beyond which I will recommend you a buying entry. Stochastic rising. MACD is trying to trade with little divergence and bullishness, and you can also see this after staying flat at bottom. See, this was the bearishness, this is staying flat, and this can possibly recover from here. RSI rising here, coming to 4 hour chart. Now on the 4 hour charts, see, 20 period moving average is still a distant dream. It is sitting at around 1895. That also makes 1896 is a good entry, beyond which a little more bullishness can be confirmed. Stochastic is rising here too. The MACD is divergent, bullish, looking upwards. Possibly it could pull the prices little up. RSI is also rising. Coming to the day. Now look at the daily chart. See, double bottom levels trying to recover. How far it could try to? Possibly we can see it is coming out of the channel. This is the bearish channel. So far what we had seen, the top of this channel giving it a very good resistance. It is coming out of this channel, and this is why this candle is important. Any closer above this channel will suggest, closer means today's end of the day, the candle should remain above this channel, which will suggest a breakout, and possibly we can see from here a little recovery. Stochastic oversold trying to recover. MACD is extremely bearish trying to converge, and RSI is also oversold trying to come out of the oversold zone. Thus, any sell entry is only below 1887 levels, I will say. Yes, if you see it trading below 1887, you can sell here and expect 1884 and 1880 levels. Below that 1870 is the next support. Till 1887 is respected, I will not recommend you to sell anything, and at the same time a buying entry above 1896 can be taken, above which we can expect 1900, 1904, 1906 zone, and then more bullishness may resume, and then it can continue till towards 1910, 1920s levels. Take your positions accordingly, trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at silver. And before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. The 25th batch is going to start on first week of September. Only limited seats are available. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at silver on the hourly charts. See, first of all, support is seen at 2260. Try to breach 2270. Try to breach this. Fail to do so. Remember, we have been discussing this. 4060 zone is a good support, and today again 65 levels have proven out to be a good support. Now see, Bollinger Bands have narrowed here, and hence, and also you must see the journey in the hourly chart, single candle riding right from the bottom to the top of the Bollinger Bands. Hence this must give a breakout where we can expect it to pull out, because see, Bollinger Bands have narrowed, and hence it will give out of the Bollinger Bands movement, such that the width of the Bollinger Band can expand, which also suggests that the movement is going to be stronger. Hence, if you see silver is staying above 2290, we can expect a buy, and then $23 levels is where we can see the first resistance, and beyond that 2320. Stochastic rising, MACD has crossed over trying to stay in a buy zone here. RSI is also comfortable, neither bullish nor bearish. Coming to 2 hour. Now look at 2 hour charts. First of all, higher lows. Next, you can see it has given this breakout here, and hence this might continue. Thus, if you see it is staying above 2290, when I say 2290, this price, while buying, you should check this price. This price should be above 2290. You can buy here, expect 23, and then plus levels. Stochastic overbought, MACD divergent, bullish, RSI is almost flat. Coming to 3 hour, likewise on the 3 hour chart, see, lower highs were seen so far. Flat bottom is seen. It is trying to trade with slight bullishness. You can also note that this is the channel in which it is trading, and hence possibly we are looking at 2320 levels also. These levels are also achievable. Stochastic trying to rise. The MACD is trading with little divergence and bullishness. RSI is rising. Coming to 4 hour, likewise on the 4 hour chart, see, this was lower highs, higher lows. It is coming out of this consolidation zone, suggestive of bullishness. Also, if you connect the lows here, and if you connect the highs here, you can note that it is trying to trade in this channel. The highs are a little far away at 2340-60 zone of this channel, and hence beyond 2290 we can expect 2320, and then 2350-60 levels are also possible. Stochastic rising, MACD is divergent bullish, RSI is flat. Now remember, a sell entry is only below. I will come to that later. First, look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, we can also note, see this, higher lows, higher highs. So it is trying to stay bullish. 20 period moving average, see, prices are divergent from the 20 period moving average. It will try to converge. We have been discussing this so far, and yes, 2320 levels are going to be the first resistance zone, and this is the next resistance zone, that is 2350-60. Also, this is the consolidation zone, and hence which makes 50-60 levels as a great resistance. Beyond that, little more bullishness can be seen here in silver prices. Stochastic rising, MACD willing to converge, crossover for a buying entry. You can see despite the drop here on the daily charts, this is almost the bottom which we have seen in the waves, so possibly it could recover a bit. RSI is also rising here. Considering this, I will recommend you to now see, a selling entry should be taken only if you see it staying below 2270. When I say selling entry at 2270, this price should be below 2270, where you can expect bearishness in prices, and then one can expect, see, still 2260 and 40, these are two very strong support levels, and bearishness is silver is only confirmed if it breaks below 2240. So possibly once you see it staying below 2270 here, you can sell and expect it to drop. At the same time, above 2290, look at $23 levels, couple of candles failing to break past. I will wait for it to, if you are buying at 2290 here, you should wait for $23 levels to be breached. I will definitely look forward to 2320 levels as the first target, and the next target in the coming sessions, or in fact today itself, we can expect 2350-60 levels. This is going to be the next resistance. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do press the bell icon. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again before the US session. Press the bell icon. Stay tuned with the latest updates. Thank you.